Hey friends, I'm doing something that's a little bit crazy and a heck of a lot of weird for me, but I'm making a vlog. Now I know that might feel clickbaity, but it is the truth. The car creative, as you guys know it, will be ending. But I do want to clarify that it's not a negative ending. It's actually hopefully a transformation. I've been running the Car Creative YouTube channel and Instagram for 7 years now. We've done some incredible things, but I think that it's time for the Car Creative to transform and to change. A lot is happening in my life personally that has triggered some of this. A lot is happening in the YouTube and Instagram space that is triggering this change. So I think that it is time for the Car Creative to evolve as well. This channel has come from really humble beginnings. If you've been here since the beginning, we were shooting Corollas, we were shooting our own SUVs, we were shooting minivans, and then everything shifted when we had a chance to shoot our first supercar, and I took you guys along for that journey, and you can see the joy and the passion that working with you guys on YouTube and building this community has given me. We have hit some incredible milestones together personally and professionally, shooting with Ferrari, Porsche, Shell. We've got to partner with incredible brands like DJI and Insta360 and so many more. My work has brought me to some pretty incredible places like Japan, Italy, Hawaii, all over Canada and the United States. But the thing that I am ultimately the most proud of is this community, you guys. The 100,000 plus subscribers that have chosen to stick around, click subscribe, and be a part of this community. I've personally chosen never to call you guys my followers or subscribers, but I choose to call you my community because that's what this is, because I would not be me without you. And I've heard countless stories of your guys' growth through watching my YouTube videos and us growing together, and that makes me honestly so proud. You guys have been with me through some of my life's hardest struggles, through some of my life's biggest wins, and I'm so grateful for your guys' support and continued support on this channel and for me personally and my wife. So why is change necessary right now? If I'm being honest, I have thought about this change for a very long time. I have wanted to rebrand the Car Creative to my personal name for quite a while, and I've put a lot of processes in place. Like, my logo has not been the Car Creative for a very long time. It's been AM, which is Alex McInnes, my name. And so I've been thinking about this for a long time, but right now we have some personal changes in my wife and I's life. We are actually moving houses. This is one of the last videos that you will see in this office because this is in a basement of my home. And so we're really excited. We're taking the next step in our personal journey. And so I kind of thought that this would be a great catalyst and a great moment for me to change the branding as well. So that is one part of it. Another part of it is wanting creative challenge and being able to express myself in a few different ways. The Car Creative is an incredible channel and it will not change. I will not be changing the type of content that I create for you because I love shooting photos and videos and I love cars. I honestly, if I could shoot cars every day, I would, but there's challenges with getting access to cars. There's challenges that come with filming cars. And more importantly, I think that there's more that I can offer you than just automotive. I have a really deep level of knowledge of how to use cameras and how to edit these things in photo and in the video space that I'd love to expand on and teach you guys more about. I landed in the automotive niche because it truly does give me joy, and so creating this content isn't work to me, it really is fun, and bringing the community along is just a natural extension of what I enjoy doing. And one final reason is that there is big shifts in the industry of YouTube and Instagram and how content is consumed and whether or not subscribers really matter. You know, I think we have to produce content now in a bit of a different way. The hope is that if we can change the name of this channel from The Car Creative to my name, which is Alex McInnes, that we can open up other doors and other avenues for me to continue to teach you guys, continue to bring you along in maybe more of a personal journey actually, and we can maybe go deeper than we are right now. We can still teach you guys fun stuff about cars, but I think that there's a lot more than I can offer you personally on the business side and beyond. So what does the end of the Car Creative mean, practically speaking? This YouTube channel is going to be rebranded as Alex McInnes, my name. And I might do Alex McInnes / The Car Creative for a time, but The Car Creative is my business. It is a literal LLC that I own, and my email will not change. It will always be alex@thecarcreative.ca. And my Instagram, I will be keeping The Car Creative handle on Instagram and on YouTube, but the name will change to be me, and I will be the brand moving forward. And that might change in years to come, but for now we're going to slowly shift those things and see how that transition goes. But I will still be shooting cars. I still want to be a Porsche owner. We are still on our way to owning a Porsche. That will not change. I still love cars. I'll still shoot cars. I'll still talk about cars, cameras, software, great things and tools that can help you guys get better at what you're doing. I think what I love about this is that I'm passionate about it. I love sharing this stuff, and I know that you guys are passionate about it too, and that's why you click through, and that's why you've come to this channel, is to learn, and we're all passionate about cars and cameras. The hope is as well that as we build our community, that I can add deeper value for you guys. My goal is to build an online community where you and I can actually connect on a deeper level, on either a one-on-one professional coaching level or inside of a community where I can actually answer your guys' questions in person, because you can only create so many YouTube videos that answer a fraction of a question, but maybe you have specific questions for the way that you guys shoot specifically. So I am excited to eventually be opening that up, so stay tuned, because that is something on my heart to do, is to coach you guys in a more community-oriented space. So rest assured, I am not going anywhere, but The Car Creative, this channel, is going to be changing and evolving into something better. I'd love to hear from you guys, what you guys think, what you'd love to see from this channel in the new era as we transition. You know, this is very much like what Matty Hopoya did with, what was it, Travel Fields, and then he just changed it to his name. I feel like this is the next right step for me, for my family, for my business, for what I do for work. And I'd love for you guys to continue to come along on the journey with me. As always, thank you so much for being a part of this community, and I'm very excited for what's next. I hope that you guys will stick around. If you're new, click subscribe. We're gonna have a whole new office we gotta build. We've got a lot going on in the next stages of life, so hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Here it is, my empty office space that I'm really excited to start making my own. It's a huge, clean slate. I don't know if you can see how much bigger it is than my other office, and we've got a window. We've got life. We've got light, which I'll most likely black out anyways eventually, but hey, that's okay. And on this side, we got another huge storage room, which is great. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I might make it nice. I might just hide it behind a wall, do another fake wall again or something. On this side, I'm gonna have a TV room, maybe some couches, that kind of thing, and actually make it a bit of like a lounging space. We'll have the office side over here, I think. Let me know if you guys have ideas. Send me inspo on Instagram or something. And I have no idea what I'm gonna do with that corner yet. It's just so much bigger. So I'm excited about it. I'm really excited about this space. It feels massive. So I'm excited to create in here. This is the first video clip that's been filmed in this space so far, but I'm excited. Big changes, big changes. Thanks for coming along.